everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you are well and safe. I am so excited. I just received a new beauty subscription. This is the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar. If you're familiar with me and my channel, you know I love the lifestyle subscription from Bombay Cedar, so I can't wait to see what is in their beauty box. This was a total surprise. Showed up in my mailbox and look how pretty this package is. I'm so excited to open this. Like I probably already said like 3 times. I really needed something like this to come into my life and brighten my spirits a little bit. But let's learn a little bit more about the box, then we'll do an unboxing. I will leave all of the information down below. I do have a code with Bombay Cedar that gets you 10% off your box. I know that works for the lifestyle subscription. It should work now for the beauty box as well. I'm also going to link down below my active giveaway if you have not yet entered, that ends at the end of the month, so in just a few days. So check that out after this video if you want to win some makeup. But yeah, let's learn about the box. So I pulled it up on my MacBook. And it says, the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar is a new skincare and makeup subscription box featuring vegan and cruelty-free full-size and deluxe size beauty products. So it costs $31.95 per month, and there's free US shipping, but it does ship worldwide. So if you're in Canada, the shipping charge is $5.95, and then the rest of the country, so international shipping, is $10.95. It says discover new brands, new products, and recent launches. You get 5 to 6 full and deluxe size products in every box with a retail value of at least $100. You get makeup, skincare, beauty tools, and more. Everything is vegan and cruelty free, which I love. And there's a curated theme each month. And there's a mix of indie and well-known clean beauty brands. So there's no contracts, no commitments. You can cancel anytime. And I think that's enough information. Let's get this box open. Oh, it looks like there's just a pull tab here to open. Such a pretty box. Oh, by the way, I know I look like a mess. I was gonna do my hair today, but I was like, you know what? Nah. Oh, it's so pretty even when you open it. I love this box. So March 2020, the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar. I'm pretty sure this is their first month ever. If anything, it's their second. The theme this month is must-have essentials, a few suggestions for superstar products that should be a part of your daily beauty routine. And that talks about everything inside. And on the back of here it says get rewarded. So I guess if you create an account with Bombay Cedar, you can earn points, and those points turn into money you can use on their website, so that's cool. And they give back 1% for the planet, which is awesome. So yeah, it says say hello to clean beauty. I think this box is so cool. And then you just open it up like this and everything is wrapped up. So it comes with this bag. You could reuse this. It's a drawstring bag. So I'm just gonna pull one thing out at a time. Oh, and the first thing I think is an eyeshadow palette. How exciting. So this is by Maybe, hopefully I'm saying that correct, Take Me to Paris. How cute is that packaging? On the back it says cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, which everything in this box is. There's a sleeve and the inner packaging matches. Let's take a look. Ooh, there's a mirror inside and it was safety sealed. This is really pretty. You guys know I love pinks. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried anything by this brand before. So it says here, you could have gotten, it looks like a variety of one of their Take Me To eyeshadow palettes, and of course I got the Paris one. It says, unleash your inner wanderlust with these Take Me To eyeshadow palettes. Take on the endless possibilities of looks you can create. Travel beyond your comfort zone and have fun with it. And this has a $23 retail value. Let's swatch some shades. So there are like 5 of the shades there. They're swatching beautifully. I can't wait to use this. I already have glitter all over my hand because I was like swatching something earlier. But yeah, these swatched really well. I'm excited to try this out. If you guys tried this brand, let me know if you have. But I love that the first thing was a palette. So exciting. Let me clean up my hands. All right. Next item, this is by Dime. It's a Super Eye Duo Eyelash Boost Serum Volume Mascara. So it's a non-irritating lash treatment that nourishes, conditions, and improves the appearance of sparse lashes. Dime Volume Mascara is the perfect mascara to build your lashes to their full volume. Wait, do we have, I think there might be 2 products in here. At first I was thinking that the mascara was like also lash boosting, but no, we have 2 things here. Cool. So yeah, here's the mascara, and then we have the eyelash boost serum. I have been trying out some serums because I have very sparse, like very fine eyelashes and eyebrows, and I'm trying to grow them. So I am super excited to use these. So the Eyelash Boost Serum, yeah, it says improves the appearance of eyelashes and eyebrows, so I'll definitely use them on both. And the tapered brush to easily build lashes, powerful ingredients to add in hair strength, length, and thickness. So let's look at the mascara wand. Nice. So it's a thin one. I like these a lot of the time, so I will have to let you guys know how these work. Hopefully my lashes look like they actually exist soon. Oh wow, and this is a $49 retail value for the duo. So next up we have something by This Way For Your Precious Eyes SPF 50+. I am made of 98.54% natural ingredients plus 2% repair for the wrinkles. This is made with a touch of aloe vera gel. So is this, I think it's an eye cream. Yeah, eye sunscreen SPF 50 with matte tint by This Way. This cream has a little tint so that it can adapt to your skin tone, can be applied to nose and other spots of the body and needs extra care, $24 value. Wow, I never even thought about having sunscreen there. So it looks kind of like a lip balm, which is interesting. Let's look at it and see that tint. It looks just like white. Let's see. Oh, it might be like the Arborian cream or whatever that kind of adapts to your skin tone. So yeah, it looked white, but when you blend it in, I don't see it, so. Interesting. I'm excited to try this out. I didn't even think, because when I apply sunscreen, I don't put it under my eyes. Do you guys, like, I never even thought about that. Oh, wow. And I can't remember if I said this already. It has a $24 value. Next up is by Ire Perez Beetroot Cheek and Lip Tint in the color Fun. Ooh, this is a fun color. Let's do a swatch. Well, first I have to smell and see if there's a scent. I don't think I smell anything, but since these are clean beauty brands, they don't do added fragrance, I'm assuming. Ooh, I've been loving lip oils lately, so I'll probably use this more as a lip product. But it's nice to have stuff like this in your bag that can be like a duo, like for your cheeks too. So if you're like on the go and just want to add a little bit of color on your cheeks, you could do that. But I think that is fun. Like the color, like the shade name is. So this is antioxidant and vibrant color in one, available in Fun and Joy. So there's a variation. Of course, I got mine in Fun. It's a water-based formula featuring beetroot extract to nourish and hydrate skin, rich in antioxidants. This healthy tint acts as a natural blush and stain that lasts all day and has a $29 retail value. Wow, it does stain. I just used like a little micellar water and it's still on there. So it definitely will last all day. And it was only on my hand for like less than a minute, I would say. Next up, ooh, nice. I need some of these. I'm trying to use less, but it is nice to get some. So this is by Reveal Mandarin and Basil Makeup Remover Wipes infused with CBD extract. And there are 30 in here. The packaging is so cute. Let's see, are these like biodegradable or something like that? It says these makeup wipes infused with mandarin and basil deeply cleanse and gently remove makeup. Mandarin contains fruit acids that brighten your skin and vitamin C that increases the production of collagen, keeping skin firm and hydrated. It's also rich in citric acid, which helps balancing the pH of your skin and reducing acne. Nice. Basil is most commonly used in skincare as a cleanser and is perfect for oily or clogged pores. It also contains antioxidants which help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's packed with vitamin C that gives skin its glow and evens its complexion. It acts as anti-inflammatory to soothe and calm the skin. Nice. And these have a retail value of $6. We have one more thing in our bag, and this is also by the brand Dime, which we got the two eye duo from them. 100% hyaluronic acid serum. I was using hyaluronic acid for a couple weeks and I ran out, so I am excited to try this. It says this replenishing serum captures the simplistic beauty of clean skincare. Concentrated hyaluronic acid instantly quenches thirsty skin upon application, boosting bounce and delivering intense hydration where it's needed most. So the key benefits, it continuously hydrates, it boosts skin's bounce and plumps skin's appearance. And then it talks more about their formula. It says it's made with love And our mission is simple, to make high-end beauty and wellness products affordable to everyone. And their packaging is made out of 100% recyclable materials. I love finding out about new clean beauty brands. Nice. Ooh, I like how this looks too. The black packaging just makes it look more like sleek and bougie. So after cleansing face, apply 3 to 5 drops every morning and night. I'm super excited to try this out. And this has a retail value of $28. So it says here the total value for this box is $159, and I thought this was a great box, especially for their first one ever. I think everything is great. I love that we got a mixture of makeup and skincare. I think it was a good balance. I can't wait to try everything, and I like learned some things like how I never apply SPF under my eyes. I can't believe I never thought about that. But yeah, I'm excited to try everything. And again, it's $31.95 and the total value was $159, and I think the value is totally there. I cannot wait to see what they have next. On their website, it says the April theme, so let's look at that really quick. So the April beauty box theme is sun-kissed, and it's essentials for your no makeup look. So if you order now, that is the box you will be getting, so it will be a surprise. But anyways, again, all the information is going to be down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all doing well, sending positive vibes your way. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.